Okay, here we go. I have to remember the words somehow, so. So this song I wrote I was going up the Kotel stairs and when I was first here, and I was sad about the destruction of the temple. And someone said to me, "Why are you so sad?" Oh my gosh, it was your son-in-law. That's so funny. We're talking about like 28 years ago. Your son-in-law was on his way to the Kotel, your father. And he asked me, "Why am I so sad?" And I said it was the temple's destruction was sad for me. And he says, "Don't get sad, get even. Like, do something about it. Like, do something about it." And I went back and I wrote this song. And I've been doing something about it since then. What do you do? What are you gonna do to speed? Sorry, I gotta remember the words. You know what I realized? This room probably doesn't smell much anymore, right? I don't know if your daughter wants to come back. Okay, here we go. What do you do? Oh my gosh, what a bad start. I haven't played this song in years. Here we go. I'm gonna get it this time. Third time's the charm. What do you do? What are you gonna do to speed the day it comes? What do you do? What are you gonna do to speed the day it comes? Do you wake up with a greeting? Hello, hello. Do you thank him with a smile? Hello, hello. Do you go the extra mile? Hello, I'm calling you. Will you make it through the gates? Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh. What do you do? What are you gonna do to speed the day it comes? What do you do? What are you gonna do to speed the day it comes? Did you help her when she needed you? Hello, hello. Did you go beyond the law? Hello, hello. Did you stop and take a rest? Hello, I'm calling you to praise the one above. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh. What do you do? What are you gonna do to speed the day it comes? What do you do? What are you gonna do to speed the day it comes? Or to speed the day it comes? Or to speed the day it comes? Oh, I tried to do the best I can, but the doubt can shake the strongest hand. I need help to reach our goal. Through hard deeds, he'll show. What do you do? What are you gonna do to speed the day it comes? What do you do? What are you gonna do to speed the day it comes? What to speed the day it comes? What to speed the day it comes? To speed the day it comes. We are standing at the footsteps. Hello. Hello. It is happening today. Hello. Hello. Do you hear me when I say hello? I'm calling you to shine and lead the way. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh. Everybody, what do you do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do to speed the day it comes? To speed the day it comes. Double click. What do you do? What are you gonna do to speed the day it comes? Flip the screen to the camera. What do you do? Just double click. What are you gonna do to speed the day it comes? Everybody sing. What do you do? What are you gonna do to speed the day it comes? One more time, let's go. What do you do? What are you gonna do to speed the day it comes? What do you do? What are you gonna do to speed the day it comes? Keep going. To speed the day it comes. What to speed the day it comes. What to speed the day it comes. Keep going, speed the day. To speed the day it comes. Loud, let's go. To speed the day it comes. You can put your hands together, let's go. To speed the day it comes. To speed the day it comes. What to speed the day it comes. What to speed the day it comes. What to speed the day it comes. To speed the day it comes. Wow. That was fun.